Hello student, let's try to understand the one more problem. Explain the brief, the working and structure of human eyes student. In our eyes there is a convex lens located which is formed by the flexible muscle. Due to this lens, image of the object formed at retina and we can see things. Our eyes are round shape. The outermost covering of eyes is white in front of it. Transparent part cornea is situated. Behind the cornea, dark colored structures made up of muscle located is called iris. There is a small hole in iris called pupil. The size is controlled by the iris. In this case, the more light, the aperture of the pupil reduces, and in low light it increases. At the dark of the pupil is eye lens which located at the place with the help of the muscle. The part between the cornea and lens is filled with the transparent fluid is called eye fluid or aqueous humor. Through the lens, inverted image is formed on the retina. Retina is a light absorber transparent membrane which has the many light sensitive nerves. These are connected to brain. When these nerves send the message of the formation of image on retina to the brain, then the brain converts inverted image into erect image and we see the object. The transparent fluid filled between lens and retina is called the vitreous humor or the fluid. So this is what student here you can see. If I will draw the diagram student, here you see the diagram. You see firstly this is the what student, if you talk, this is the lens, and here you student, here we are making the diagram of iris. This is the iris student. So let us complete this student. Here I completed this one student. This iris is drawn the backward student, okay, here, and here the in the other places you will find here. This is what student, this is. Now this lens is also interconnected student with the ciliary muscle. It's regulating the size of the eye lens student. This is there. Lens is also flexible. Okay, so what are the part student? Here this is the first one is called optic nerve. Optic nerve send the signal to the brain student. Here is retina is there student, retina. Here the image formed student. In this what is field student, that is called vitreous humus. Vitreous humor. Now student, here if you see this one, this is called ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscle. It is used to regulate the size of what student, lens. This is convex lens student, convex lens. Convex lens. Now what is this portion is called student, iris. Iris. And if you talk about this one student, this one, this is called cornea. Cornea. Now here the gap is there student, okay, gap, hole is there, that is called student pupil. This is the pupil student, okay. I think this is, and in this one what is there student, between the cornea and lens student, that is called aqueous humus. Aqueous humor student, okay. This is liquid is there, that is called aqueous humor student. Either you can say eye fluid or the aqueous humor. So this is what, when the light rays coming student, it is passing through the cornea. Actually here diffraction, most of light get diffracted, then through the pupil student it is entering and then it is falling on the lens. Here is pupil, this lens, and here the lens form the inverted image on the retina student, and here retina is send the signal to where student, to the brain, okay, and this electrical signal goes to the brain student and we understand the image. What type of the image is getting formed, do you know student? The image formed is what, same size, same size image formed student. So this is what the brief structure and working of the human eyes. Thank you very much for watching.